Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple but very handy feature in the Telegram desktop app: how to change the interface scale after the latest update. If you've ever felt like the text, menus, or buttons on Telegram look a little too small or too large on your screen, adjusting the scale is the perfect solution to make things more comfortable for your eyes. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it loads up, take a look at the top left corner of the window. You'll see three small horizontal lines stacked on each other. Go ahead and click on those lines. This will open up the main menu where most of your basic options live. From that menu, scroll down and select Settings. This section is where you can personalize the way Telegram works and looks on your PC. After you're in the Settings panel, go down just a little bit further until you find an option called Interface Scale. This is the feature that controls the size of everything inside the app, including the text and interface layout. Click on Interface Scale, and you'll notice a range of options. You can make the interface larger if you want things to look bigger and easier to read, or you can make it smaller if you'd prefer more content to fit on your screen. Choose the scale that feels comfortable for you. Once you've decided on the perfect scale, Telegram will let you know that for the changes to fully apply, you need to restart the app. So go ahead and close Telegram, then open it again. When it reloads, you'll immediately see the new scale in action, and the interface will look exactly how you set it. That's it. You've successfully changed the interface scale on the Telegram desktop app after the new update. This quick adjustment can make a big difference in how easy and enjoyable it is to use the application every day. Take a moment to experiment with the scale settings until you find the one that suits your screen and personal preference best. And there you have it, a clean and simple way to customize your Telegram experience.